Hello, today I would like to share with you interesting project. So this is the Raspberry Pi CM4 expansion board with chatGPT-based voice control, motor control, powerful sensors, and documented example tutorials. So let's switch to this section. Artur Majczak and Maciek Matuszewski, they are the Sara AI team and of enthusiasts who create modern solutions based on Raspberry Pi using proprietary electronics and software with elements of artificial intelligence and voice control. In their project, they are also using tools such as LLM like ChatGPT, and that allows interaction with the user and in an innovative way. So you can actually talk to the device and it will listen your orders. So go back to the top and I would like to explain what and it is and why actually I'm talking about this. So these two guys are starting a pre-campaign for their SaraKIT project on the crowd supply platform, as you can see, and they need your help as well, of course, as the help of Polish Raspberry Pi organizations. But in this case, they need your help. What is a SaraKIT? It is an open source program for Raspberry Pi fans that extends the capabilities of the Raspberry Pi CM4 to enable the creation of gadgets with a variety of exciting software features, like voice control, facial tracking, precise motor control, and more. And if we will scroll down a little bit, you can read that it enables advanced voice control and precise motor control, and it features 3 sensitive microphones with sound localization for its voice recognition up to 5 meters away, 2 independent BLDC motor controls providing quite fast and precise control for gimbal motors, a CSI interface with 2 cameras on a flexible cable, 2 accelerometers, a gyroscope, and a temperature sensor. So it's a versatile and a powerful solution for those who want to build modern and efficient voice control products, robots, home automation, and interact with smart home or office devices. So let's imagine the situation that we have for example, home assistant, and you are inside your car, and it automatically opens the gate by recognizing your face and your car, and it also can inform your wife that you already are at home or your children are at home, and thanks to this, everything can be done this way, for example. Or I don't know, a robot that will be able to recognize if there's someone in the building, inside the building. For example, we have a fire and there is someone we need to rescue, as an example. Or a robot that can be able to detect explosive materials and get out those materials from the area where people are living and put it in another place to to detonate it safely somewhere over there, outside the area where people are living. So something like that. Sky is the limit. Imagination is the limit. So you can use it to many really interesting projects. And of course, there is a video, so you can watch it, and I'm going to present it now. Okay, you can also see the section documented examples about. We provide a ready-made solution and many examples of what you can build with it. So if you will click on this link, you will see that they have repositories on a GitHub, and you can use them. Gimbal motors, you can see here, encoder, media pipe free face, face mesh detection, face landmark, object detection, schematics and BOM, face tracking. So you can use any of this project, or eventually you can invent something new. Actually, the device is pretty small. You can see guys holding it in hand, but the size is about, I don't know, credit card size, something like this. Yeah, so not very big, and this is, in my opinion, very convenient because you can even put it into your, I don't know, drone or into some small box, and that is very, very, very convenient. So thanks this, you will be able to use it in various projects. And also, it's interesting that it is using CM4 compute model. Um, I know that there is a shortage. Like, there's a problem to get CM4 compute model. I was trying to get one last time. They are expensive. The developer, if I remember correctly, wrote something that they will be accessible in 2024. So we need to wait a little bit longer. But I think in 2024 everything will go back to normal and they will be a little bit cheaper. So you will be able to get any of them. I don't know. I have the most rich version, so eMMC 32 gigabyte and 8 gigabyte of RAM, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth module, etc. So the best one. But you can buy some cheaper version and also use it. And I think it will work efficiently with Python scripts, so there will be no problems. Of course, I think that if they are using ChatGPT, probably it is using API, OpenAI API to cooperate with ChatGPT. So I think that it will be very easy to just generate tokens for API and then make it work with your ChatGPT, and you will be able to use API and write a Python script to do everything actually what do you want, and even to talk with it. So, or to write some special commands to do this or this or this, go there or that, do this or that, and hold this, something like this. Yeah. So you will be able to control it via voice. So I don't know, maybe even some kind of vacuum cleaner that you will be able to control with your voice. Maybe something like this. I don't know. It depends on you actually. So this is what to really to support it. And also, I was then interested in who they really are, and they have three products. They mention it here: NAS for 2.5 drives, NAS for 3.5 drives, and a tiny open source USB computer. Actually, for pen testing, or I don't know, this device is really interesting because they you can read about this and applications. This following example security application TDS illustrate the flexibility of the USB Armory MK2 concept. So mass storage, hardware, security module, open SSH client and agent for untrusted hosts, store bridge, electronic wallet, authentication token, portable penetration testing platform, low-level USB security testing, and many, many more. And this is also something that was mentioned. And also, I visited their website, and here is the English version, and you can read about Sara AI project, and they are using actually LLM models, and of course you can read more about this there, and an assistant, smart home, a friend, artificial intelligence, and you can read about Sara AI here, and I think it's worth to check their website and read about the project. This is something that is really worth to check and what to see what they are doing, because their projects are very interesting in my opinion. So I think that for now it is all, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe some of you will support their project. But the most important thing is to spread the knowledge, spread the information about this, and maybe some company will be interested in this. I don't know. I hope it will happen and someone will get in touch with these guys to help them, to support them in their project. So for now, it is all. Thank you very much and have a nice day or night. Take care. Bye bye.